Alright, so today guys we're going to start talking about 5G2. We talked about 5G1 Monday and Tuesday. We talked about ordered pairs and how we get to those ordered pairs. Today we're going to start talking about our coordinate plane, which I'm sure most of you guys know of from the POD. In 5G2, the I can statement is I can represent a real-world math problem by graphing points in the first quadrant to the coordinate plane and interpret coordinate values of points in the context of a solution. And down below that in green, we have a word problem that I'm going to read to you. It says, Mitchell is training to run a race. He is practicing by running laps around the track at his school. Each week, he is able to run one more lap. Use the chart to graph the number of laps Mitchell runs each week. So we have to use this chart down here in order to know what numbers we are going to graph. So if we're thinking about how we just talked about ordered pairs the past couple of days, we can take these numbers over here and we can develop different ordered pairs. So we know that the first number is going to be our x, and we know that the second number is going to be our y. So when we go to make these ordered pairs, x and y, I know that my 1 is going to come first, my 2 is going to come second, so that ordered pair is 1, 2. We have 2, 3, that pair is going to be 2, 3. We have 3 and 4. We have 4 and 5. And we have 5 and 6. I'm going to bring you guys a little bit closer. Check your ordered pairs with mine. Make sure that we both got the same thing. Now, in thinking about plotting these points, I know that my x value tells me how many times I have to move to the right. My y value tells me how many times I need to move up. So my first point is 1, 2. Well, I need to move one place to the right and 2 places up. So I move over one time and then up twice. 1, 2. And I'm going to plot my point right here. Now, my next value is 2, 3. I move to the right 2 places, 1, 2. I move up 3 times, 1, 2, 3. My next value is 3, 4, so I'm going to do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. My next value is 4, 5. Move over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My last point is 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what do you notice about these dots that I have plotted? Do they make anything? Can you see a pattern? Okay, what are you noticing about those different things? Could I continue with this? So could I look at my chart over here and say, all right, week 1 he ran 2 laps. Week 2 he ran 3 laps. Week 3 he ran 4 laps. How many more laps is he running every week? I see there's plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So he's running an extra lap every week. So on week 6, how many laps is he going to run if he ran 6 last week? If our plus 1 continues, 6 plus 1 is 7. So that means that ordered pair is going to look like 6, 7. So I can go over here and also plot that point as well. Again, I can connect all of my dots. And it does make another diagonal line. Hopefully this helps you out. If you have any questions, make sure to ask. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a graphing activity where you have to plot the points and you have to connect them. So this should really help you for tomorrow.